Now, now the issue is when you are doing detection of bounding box coordinates, right? So either you want to do like prediction of just 4 numbers, and then irrespective of which object is present, this head is always going to give you detection, and that's kind of class agnostic. Okay, so this head doesn't care about which object is present. Irrespective of that knowledge, this head is going to give you the localization of that object. So that's one variation. So that's called class agnostic. Okay, and for that you just need 4 numbers. It will give you 1 bounding boxes. Or you can have class specific prediction. So class specific means like then this network will care about like, okay, this bounding box is for this particular class. So which means like for each class, you will have a prediction. And that's like very well aligned with your classification scores. Because for classification as well, for each class, you have some prediction. Okay? So in that case, if you have C number of classes, then you will need 4 numbers for each class. Then it becomes like C times 4 total numbers. All right. So in that case, the way it will work is during training, it's fine. You have the ground truth, you can train it. But during evaluation, what will happen is you will take a testing image. This will give you some prediction. And then you will see like, okay, which of these classes is actually highly active? And you will consider that as a prediction. For example, it says like it's a dog. So in this case, you will only look into the bounding box of the dog because you have for prediction for all the classes, right? So you focus only on the dog class, and that will be the bounding box. We just ignore the other prediction.